Hey everybody, this is Danelle, and today we're going to go over the NFT marketplace. So in our last video, we went over the basics of the cryptocurrency market and using CoinMarketCap to get an idea of what it's like to see the overview of the cryptocurrency market. Today, we're going to go over an overview of the NFT market. We want to start by saying that NFTs are extremely speculative. It's very risky. It's basically like gambling. It's very illiquid, meaning that it's very difficult to get in and out of NFTs. It's not like the stock market where you can go to, your brokerage and get in and out of stocks in real time. A lot of times you have to wait for long periods of time to be able to see if your NFT will sell. So we're going to go over some of the basics and things that you want to look for when getting in and out of a NFT project. So we are here at cryptoslam.io, and it's a nice resource just to get a general idea of what's going on in the NFT space. And right here, we're at the tab for all-time sales volume. So as you can see here, the number one NFT collection by sales volume is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game. It became very popular around the world, and it's characters that you can buy, and you use those characters to be able to play the game. And as you play the game, you're able to earn more Axie, which is a cryptocurrency that is on the crypto market. And depending on how much Axie you have, you can do pretty well in the long run as you continue to accumulate by doing well in the game. So Axie Infinity currently all-time rankings is number one with over $4 billion in sales volume. Next up is CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks became very popular within this past year and a half. It's one of the first NFT generative collection projects. It is ranked number two currently at $2.2 billion in all-time sales volume. And on its heels is Bored Ape Yacht Club, which is owned by Yuga Labs, which recently purchased CryptoPunks. So they are now part of the Yuga Labs ecosystem, and they are currently rocking at just over $1.8 billion. And most likely they'll be flipping CryptoPunks in the near future. The next iteration of Bored Ape Yacht Club is Mutant Ape Yacht Club, which was an NFT that was airdropped, meaning that it was a free NFT that was given to anyone who owned a Bored Ape. And that has now risen to the number four spot at 1.3 billion. Art Blocks is a generative art project, but they're different types of art, not a PFP. So CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club are profile picture projects. Art Blocks are pieces of art. NBA Top Shot became very popular last year, and we'll go to their website quickly. You can buy basically virtual highlights. As you can see here, you can get a highlight of Kevin Durant. You can get a highlight of all the different NBA players. Here's one of Jalen Green that's on Spotlight. So you'll also get a chance to get the live feed of the different cards that are being traded, or the different highlights, I should say, that are being traded on the Top Shot platform. So that's a different type of NFT. That is ranked number 6. Clone X is a project by Artifact, which was recently acquired by Nike. So they have a partnership with Nike. They are at over 600 million in total sales. Azuki is another profile picture project. VFriends is a project by a popular entrepreneur named Gary Vaynerchuk. MeBits is from the same group that created CryptoPunks, but they are also now owned by Yuga Labs, which owns Bored Ape Yacht Club. And then coming in at number 11 is Moonbirds, which just came out just over a week and a half ago. And this has been the biggest project out of the gate in terms of all-time sales, being in the top 11 within its first 14 days. It's pretty amazing. And that's another profile picture project, but it's affiliated with the creator, Kevin Rose, who has been well known in the venture and Silicon Valley space, where he started a startup that ended up selling and having an amazing exit. So he has a lot of experience in building products and successful products. So this is just a general overview of the cryptocurrency all-time sales volume. We're going to scroll down just a little bit more just to see what else is going on here. World of Women is in the top 20. It is a female-led profile picture project. And at number 24 is Solana Monkey Business. This is the first Solana project in the top 25, and it's done over 182 million in all-time sales. And people correlate it to the crypto punks of the Solana blockchain. Solana is becoming more and more popular amongst traders in the NFT space. They just recently had another project called OkayBears, which people are comparing to Bored Ape Yacht Club, that has come out of the gate really well over the last few days. And they have a chance to potentially get on this list sometime sooner than later. So, Crypto Slam, great place to go to get the all time sales volume. You can also see the volume over the last 24 hours and 7 days, 30 days, and then you can also go to a link of some upcoming NFT projects. Let's see, we're going to go to OpenSea, and you can get some of the same similar information as well on OpenSea, as this is the largest NFT marketplace. As you can see, Moonbirds is at the very top. Its current floor price is 31.6. I believe it's gotten, let's see how high it got since it's come out. I believe it's gotten as high as close to 50. We're going to click on the activity tab and look at the chart. So it came out April 16th. So it's been less than 14 days, and its average high price is 44.84 Ethereum. And the highest last sale, I believe, was the Sandbox sale. So the game Sandbox purchased one of the most rare Moonbirds, and that went for 350 Ethereum. So yes, this was bought by the Sandbox, and 350 Ethereum at current prices of Ethereum is approximately $1 million. So an NFT was sold for $1 million. So there's lots of opportunity in the crypto space, but there's also lots of opportunity to get wrecked, which is a term that is used in the crypto and NFT space, meaning you could lose all of your money in short order. So you have to be very careful and do as much research as possible before you get into a cryptocurrency project. So we're going to go back to the stats here. And one thing I like about the OpenSea stats page is that if you click on this more link, you get a little bit more information in terms of the number of items, the number of owners, and we've talked about this before, that you want to try to see a ratio of approximately 50% or higher. And the reason for that is that if you have less owners, that means that there are more whales, there are more wallets that are likely to have exorbitant amount of NFTs. So if they want to try to get rid of their NFTs in short order, then they could easily manipulate the price, and the price could go down quickly if someone decides to sell all of their NFTs at one time. So if you see that there's a higher owner count, then there's more likelihood that there are whales that have tons and tons of NFTs, and they wouldn't be able to manipulate the market for that particular NFT. We mentioned OkayBears. This is a Solana project. Now Solana projects are on OpenSea. That's been a recent addition. And you can see Solana is now making a splash with this OkayBears release, which just minted at time of recording yesterday. And the floor price has gone from 50 to 100. in the past 24 hours. And if you got in on the allow list and were able to mint, you were able to mint OkayBears for 1.5 Solana, which is pretty amazing. Let's go to OkayBears just so you can have a quick look. Here is their page on OpenSea. And they look somewhat similar to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, but they are bears. And they actually have a pretty nice, clean looking website. So we'll go here really quick. Annie, are you okay? Everything's going to be okay. Weird flex, but okay. Bear markets are okay. So cute play on words. So this is the website, and you can check out their roadmap, go to their Twitter, see what they're talking about, what's next, their Discord. So this is one of the things that you would do when you're researching a NFT project. We mentioned Solana Monkey Business. As you can see, it's pixelated profile pictures, so hence the comparison to CryptoPunks. The floor price is over 200 Solana. This is one of the highest priced Solana PFP collections. And you can see the volume is over, what is that, 1 million Solana. So it's done very well over time. But it's still very difficult to choose or know which NFT is going to fly. So before we end this video, we're going to go to the Yuga Labs Twitter page. This is a place that a lot of NFT enthusiasts go to find out information from projects themselves, as well as get other information from influencers or people who are big NFT traders. You can find out a lot of information, as well as knowing when to get into a project early. You can get a lot of information from Twitter. So here we're at the Yuga Labs Twitter page, and they are getting ready to mint something regarding the other side. So the other side is another addition to the Yuga Labs ecosystem, and we'll play a little bit of this teaser. And it's the Bored Ape grabs something out of the swamplands. He's like, let me check this out. I'll go ahead and drink it. Why not? And as you can see, things start to change. So the video is actually a really nice looking teaser. The quality of the graphics here is top notch. So we know that it's likely going to take a very long time before they're actually able to make a game that comes near this type of quality. So right now people are speculating that the other side that they're talking about that's happening on April 30th at 12 p.m. will be plots of land, some that will be airdropped to, once again, Bored Ape holders, Mutant Ape holders, and these are some of the other, there's World of Women, Cool Cats, some of the other PFP projects that it looks like will be a part or will be able to play a part in the other side land. So people are highly anticipating this drop. You had to KYC, meaning know your customer. You had to put in your information that they had sent a link to. And if you KYC'd and you own Apecoin, which is another part of the Yuga Labs ecosystem. So it just keeps building on top of each other. So you can see why it's in the top 3 collections of all time and most likely will be the top collection and top ecosystem. It is actually the top ecosystem when you consider the fact that 3 of the top 5 projects belong to Yuga Labs. Now they've added a cryptocurrency, and it's been noted that Apecoin is what has to be used to buy the other side, to buy into the other side. So with that speculation, over the last 24 hours, Apecoin has gone from $19 to over $26, almost $27. And over the past month, it had gone from $10, a low of 10, to a high of 26.91 earlier today. So we'll be glued to see what happens with regards to Apecoin, the other side, and Yuga Labs is really setting the blueprint for what a NFT company and project can become. They've raised outside venture capital as well. So a lot of these NFT projects are taking notes, and we'll also be here along for the ride to see what happens. We hope to connect with you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. We look forward to connecting with you soon. In the meantime, take care. Bye-bye.